After running the license plate of the car in front of him, an officer sees that the driver has a suspended license. She pulls over, and by her immediate reactions, the officer quickly suspects that she might be hiding something.
I'm sorry.
Hey.
Hello, sir.
Hey, your license isn't good.
I'm sorry?
Valerie?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your license is not good.
Why?
It says failure to pay a traffic ticket.
I paid the traffic ticket.
Do you have your registration proof of insurance?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. It's
This is your old one.
that's your order. I do have it, sir. Please bear with me.
Alright, you have proof of insurance?
I have insurance. I have Geico.
You have like a proof of insurance on you?
Can I pull it up on my phone?
Sure.
I'm sorry. I can't believe my license is suspended. I have no idea.
And after noticing something odd on her hand, he has her do this.
Alright, you can hold back onto this.
Yes, sir.
Step by the car, you can look for it outside. Why are you bleeding out of your hand?
He says working at home or building a house.
With a second officer on scene, the lady becomes more panicked and continues to struggle to find the documents.
Somebody should just start up, dude. Oh, it takes forever to start.
Oh, cute puppies. What are their names?
They're my bosses.
They're your bosses?
Yeah.
What, you looking for your insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
I have insurance.
Who's the insurance for?
Geico.
You can't download the app and look it up? Or is that what you're trying to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hands on your back. I'll explain it to you in a second.
And with the lady going to jail, officers must appropriately take care of her dogs and inventory her car.
Can I please call my boss to come get the
Let him talk. We'll figure that out, okay?
Alright, your license is suspended. It said you received notice already in July. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to have to go to jail. We'll try to work with you with the dogs. But listen to me. I've been around for a while. You are extremely nervous. You have a needle mark fresh in your hand.
It's
Is
not.
there any needles in the car?
No,
100% sure.
it's not a needle mark, sir. I work. The house is being built over on Edgewater Canal. May I please call my boss? The puppies. She's
You
not.
come get the dogs. You have no needles on you.
No, sir.
No needles in the car.
No, sir. Search the car, sir.
I'm not searching. I'm inventorying. It's getting towed.
Put it open to your face.
Excuse me, what is he doing? I didn't give you permission to search the car, sir.
Yeah, he's inventorying it. So we're trying to get so the dogs can go. So nope, you're staying right here. So he's inventorying the car because it's going to get towed because you're being arrested.
But my boss can come and get it, ma'am.
So she's coming to get the dogs.
With the woman's boss not picking up, she becomes increasingly panicked, especially regarding her call.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system 4077. Your call has been
I really
forwarded to an
want these
automatic.
dogs up here at the pound, so let's try to
Please,
figure it out.
please, just be calm. We'll answer, please.
Don't you have a guy that you live with? You're not home?
I'm calling.
Oh, that's who you're calling?
Who else are you trying to call?
Can I call my lawyer?
Who's
No,
calling?
not yet.
Do I have an extra number?
I'm arrested. I'm getting arrested. You have to come and get the dogs. They're in my car. He pulled me over and he's looking through the car, Rob. Please come and get it. I'm in all these parking
So
lots.
he can get the dogs, not the car. Her license is suspended. So, you can come get the dogs, but not the car. The car's getting towed.
Can I please have the water inside the car?
1 second. We're in the Aldi parking lot right across from Home Depot.
Where is she going?
She's going to go to jail.
To what jail?
Volusia County Branch Jail.
Call my lawyer, Rob.
Okay. What's the number about? Send me a number.
I'm in handcuffs, Rob. It's the defense group.
Okay. I don't know if I'll find it.
Yes. All right, so you're heading this way. How long will it be?
Okay. I'm at Fort Orange right now.
Okay.
Is always going to be there. Was the boss with her in the car?
Yeah,
Yes.
hey, we got an animal control guy coming. If the record gets here before him, we can put him in the dogs in the temporary kennel in the truck, and you can come pick up the dogs.
Okay. Well, I'm on my way, but I'm in Fort Orange.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, you got some time. You got like,
I'll go right now.
all right.
Can you please wipe my eyes? Yeah.
With what?
My
Sure.
shirt.
Hey, you can lift your shirt up.
I'm almost tempted to DUI. There's needles all in the center console.
I didn't give you permission to search the car.
Inventorying you, I'm towing your vehicle. It's policy. So you can sit here, we can play games back and forth and all this stuff. I've been doing this for a long time. It's apparent that you just shot up dope and you're driving around my city. It's completely unacceptable. Looks like you failed to pay some type of ticket. That's what it's telling me. It said they gave you notice.
I haven't been home. I live out here now.
Haven't you been to court?
No,
tell you?
I haven't been to court. My lawyer goes to court. I haven't been to court.
All right, so since he's arresting you, I'm searching you. Do you have anything on you that'll stick and poke me, anything inside of you? Okay. And then, is there a bottle of water in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there water in there that she can have a sip of? Or
I'm sure I'll find it. I'll
Okay.
find it.
if I get stuck, I'm going to be
Ma'am,
really
there's
pissed off.
nothing on me.
Unfortunately, we've already we've broken trust. She took a long time to stop and was fucking with something, so just a heads up.
Do you want these glasses to stay in the car?
Yes, please.
There's something you have nothing on you, right? You go to the jailhouse, it's going to be
I
more
don't have
charges.
anything on me.
Now we got it off to the right on the wrong foot. All right. I understand you don't want to get in trouble, but
Okay, I'm going to fix your hand, okay? I can still fit my finger in there. But I'll loosen it up a little bit, but I can fit a finger in there. Are you going to want more than that?
how many you got? Before I'll get officers.
We're going to go sit in my truck, okay? I'll roll down the window, so if he has any more questions.
Can I please call my lawyer?
So that'll be when you get to the jail. Sure.
How do I?
I got you. Okay. I'll roll down the window so it's not as hot.
Valerie is charged with driving under the influence and possession of drug paraphernalia. Under Florida Statute 316.193, when you're operating a motor vehicle while impaired by alcohol, controlled substances, or other intoxicants to the point that a person's normal faculties are impaired, normal faculties including judgment, reaction time, balance, vision, and ability to operate a vehicle safely, you are driving under the influence. months. This has maximum penalties of up to 6 months in jail, up to a $1,000 fine, 6 to 12 months of license suspension, vehicle impounds, mandatory DUI school and substance abuse evaluation, and probation of up to 1 year. In this specific case, she was also driving on a suspended license, which can increase the amount of penalties depending on her prior history. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.